On this tutorial we will show you how to remove the oil from an air hydraulic foot pump. The first step, using an Allen drill bit, carefully remove all 6 bolts from the top plate. Then you can put down a shop towel in front of the pump. Carefully, you want to lift the upper portion of the pump so the entire pump comes up. You could lay down the pump on its side. Now, using an empty bucket with a funnel, you could carefully dump the oil inside of the bucket. Make sure the inside of the reservoir is completely clean. You can wipe it down with a clean shop towel. Carefully, you want to remove the seal from the pump. You could place it on top of the reservoir, and then again you could wipe it down with a shop towel or wipe down any extra oil on the outside of the pump. You can also wipe down the pump to make sure there's no contamination. Now, using hydraulic jack oil ISO 150 or AW32, you can measure the correct oil being poured back into the pump. Remove the seal from the pump and then pour the oil back into the reservoir. Now you can put the seal back on the pump. Place the pump back on the reservoir, and then you want to screw the bolts back on the pump. Now you can wipe down any extra oil on the outside of the pump. Now we will show you how to remove the oil out of a hydraulic hand pump. The first step is to use a regular screwdriver and remove the bolt on top of the hand pump. Be sure you have the release valve completely open. Now carefully dump all the oil from the hand pump into an empty bucket. Once you drain all the oil, you can wipe down any extra oil that has dripped on the outside of the pump. Using new hydraulic jack oil ISO 150 or AW32, pour the new oil into the oil dispenser gun. Now you can fill the pump back up. We suggest you consult or read your operation manual to be able to determine the exact amount of oil you should pour back into your hand pump. Be sure to close the oil hole back up by screwing the bolt back on.